Town life, yes, in Tanzania. Hello, my people. God bless you. Thank you. I hope you're okay. Yes, see my country. This area is known as Manzese. Manzese in Dar es Salaam city. I hope you're okay. Wanna show you some videos of my city. As you see, like this. Yes, as you see, people at work. Yes, my city, as you see, people at work, they hard working. Yes. Let's continue. I wanna show you more. That is known as that blue bus is known as Mwendo Kasi in Swahili. Call it Mwendo Kasi. Fast buses here in Dar es Salaam. We call it Mwendo Kasi. We call it Mwendo Kasi because it's run at the fastest speed. My people also you should work hard. Work hard, but remember to keep God first and don't give up. Always, I told you, don't give up because when your time reaches, God is gonna lift you up and everything gonna be okay. So don't worry about that life you're facing because always God is with you. Yes, I'm in my city. Just my town. My town. It's buses in my town. Appearance in the sky and as thank you. I hope you're okay. Thank you guys. I hope you're okay. God bless you.